sinne, just sinne, noin.
Ja, nyt hyvä. Okay, smile.
Ei varmaan.
So, hello! Kumusta kayo? Hi! Ay, nito ko so, papunta kami doon kay Anita kasi hindi na namin binalot yung regalo niya pero dapat i-surprise talaga namin ito pero sinabi ko nang may gift kami sa kanya. So, ayan yung gift niya para sa bed niya. Yung binili ko ba sa IKEA? So, yun yung binili ko sa IKEA. Kaya, ayan, nandito na at ihahatid namin dahil may pupuntahan kami. So, ayan, busy time but anyway, parating na kami doon sa kanila at yun, mag-aano lang kami, mag-fast drop tapos may pupuntahan kami place. Let's see. So, andito na kami. Here, this is 6. So, this is their how to say. Ayan. So, we are here already.
Ready.
We are here. So, can you tell her? We are here already. Ayan. So, nandito na kami mga kalabs. Ayan. So, andito na yung iso-surprise natin yung aking anak. Saan ko ba? But up there, I did not bring the selfie. Oh, still. Yeah, I think I bring. Didn't I bring? I bring. Here is the selfie. Ayan, so dala-dala ko yung selfie pero hawak-hawak ko lang. Sandali lang kasi nandyan na yung anak ko. Can you take us video?
¿La están dando?
Yeah, I think so. You know, it's not going. Here is your birthday gift. Yay! Happy birthday to you.
Big
Happy
presents.
birthday to
Big
you.
presents.
Happy birthday.
You don't see good.
Huh? You don't see good?
No, it's the same.
Uy, muntik makasagasa ng aso. Ayan. So, hello for today's video.
Hello!
Surprise! So, we will surprise you. We are going to a place here. You go out. You go out from here, yes. So, we are going to surprise you a beautiful place. So, hello for today's vlog. Oh, the Tagalog now. Then Tagalog.
Neanche qua possono. Ah no, sì, come c'è.
See, we came here. And then you go out.
Svolta a
Tagalog.
sinistra verso Simonswagen, poi svolta a destra e prendi Simonswagen. Svolta a destra e prendi Simonswagen.
This is a scary neighbor.
Scary neighbors. This is the scary neighbors.
He heard me. No.
Works at the library.
Yeah, one time he surprised us in sauna. Someone came there naked and said that it's my turn.
And it was his turn, but we
But
didn't
we didn't know that.
the rules. We didn't know the rules.
So you went out, of course.
So now we go straight.
Yes, there. We go there.
Tra 200 metri, svolta a
So
sinistra e prendi
ayan,
Biocchi
say hello to our today's videos vlog. O Tagalog, o si
Tagalog.
Tagalog Katalog. Andito na naman kami. Ayan, so today is Thursday,
Svolta a
June
sinistra
13,
e prendi Björkbyvägen. Poi svolta a destra e prendi Västra
2024, not
Wittbäcksvägen.
1994. So after 2 days, Yanita, be careful, Mari. After 2 days, Yanita will be how to say?
Svolta a destra
30.
e prendi Västra Wittbäcksvägen.
How to say?
Officially yun. Hindi ko nakuha yung words. Officially 30%. 30%.
Like,
30% slide.
30% life. So, ayan, mag-roaming around lang kami. And then, roaming around. kasi mayroon kaming puntahan na very beautiful place. You will be amazed in the place where we are going. And qui va tante lei, io mi tante che mi sta.
Continua su Vastra Wittmexwagen per 1,5 chilometri.
This is our today's video. So amore, how to say I want to eat?
I want to eat.
In Tagalog.
In Tagalog. Kain, ako.
Okay. Osi, how to say I'm hungry in Tagalog?
Gutom na ka.
Gutom na ka?
Close enough.
Gutom na?
Gutom.
How to say I don't remember anymore. What was our topic before? You and me.
Ako.
And ikaw.
Hindi ka. Oh, may progress ang aming Tagalog language dito. Ikaw at ako.
Ikaw.
Ikaw at ako.
Ikaw.
Like cow.
Ikaw. Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Yes, but with a E.
Ikaw.
It's like an internet cow. Ikaw.
Ikaw. Ikaw.
Ikaw. Ikaw lang.
Ikaw.
Email, ikaw.
Ako.
Ako.
Ako ay
Ako ay
taga
taga
Finland.
Finland.
Ako ay taga Finland.
Ako ay taga Finland.
Tagalog lessons progress na kami dito. So the weather is very very beautiful as you see, like us. So i-continue natin to mamaya doon sa ating puntahan. See you laters. Ta Bluetooth isa to ta. Bluetooth din may no biala. So ayan mga kalabs. Welcome to our vlog. We are trying our new selfie stick. We have this new selfie stick and we are trying. So I don't know if you can really see me. You see me, you see you. Ayan. So how is the weather now? 19 degrees in the sun, but there is wind that it's a bit cold, but it's beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. June 13, 2024, 1994. I was in 1994. Ayan. Oh, there's a bit traffic time, but it's okay. Just updating you that there is traffic. Tulkatan eh. Kukya. Kamara. Huh?
It's too high now.
No, she's just gonna cut it like this.
It's just gonna, let's see.
Ani videosta. No nyt.
Tämä mahtuu, koska se oli lähellä. Tästä tää vielä. Noin.
Eikö nyt ole vähän liian alhaalla? It's too high. Ei, me ollaan silleen vähän liian alhaalla. Jos sä vetää
Like that?
silleen just noin, sit vedät tonne. Tonne, just sinne, noin, just sinne, noin. Ja nyt on hyvä, nyt on hyvä.
Okay, smile! Cheese! Nandito na kami. So this is the flower place. Oh yan, ang gaganda ng flower. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Can you look?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
It
good.
shows.
Ayan. It's very beautiful. So, ang laki ng park na ito. Yan. So, ang laki ng park. Ayan. Yan. So, paikot kami ngayon dito. So, makikita nyo dyan sa likod. Punta kami doon sa ano. So, you can see me walking?
No, you're not walking. No, you're not.
But you can see.
No, because it's covered from this.
Onnistuisikohan tältä?
I think it's okay. But this time when we came, it's really a lot of flower, no?
Maybe it rain a lot
Yeah, I think with the rain.
and cold
Or maybe it flowers
after.
before. Iatid sa sungko Helen, bay. Kotin. Mendas, mihin mendan. Kailan ta?
Ai mun puhelimella.
Yeah, so we are entering the cave. Ayan. And then, wow. Can you take us picture here? Otetaan kuva kaikista. Smile! Naka-video pa. But this is only like if you want to take picture. Yan ko tasta. Tas barma paremti. Kus kayo auring ko. Hi, welcome to my vlog. Tasta mo slide na to pa. Can you see us?
Let's say yes.
Oh, sorry. Yes,
cover,
you can see.
Okay.
If
And
you, if you little bit
come,
down, here's this.
and if you come, careful.
No niin.
Okay.
Nyt on parempi.
And if you come where you can place yourself.
Yes.
Where are you? What about you?
Pääs sinne nojaa.
Cheese!
Pitäisikö ottaa tästä eskuun?
Ayo. Ayo. Ota meistä. Can you hold?
Okay.
So here there is also a bubble tea. Bubble tea in the flower park. Yeah. And ice cream also. Yeah. There we go there.
But how you know?
No, because the doctor can give like this envelope and we can give it to them.
So we are going.
And they put it to the black balloon.
Yes. Now we are going there where there are sunflowers.
Right, but we're having trouble because there are men so going in the additional.
Yeah, if it's boys, it's Dean.
Huh?
If it's a boy, it's a Dean, Dean.
Oh, Dean.
Dean one, Dean. Yeah.
James Dean.
Dean, yeah.
Mr. Bean.
No, Dean. Dean. Oh, and so you are already doing something. Are you cold?
No,
I'm having my mom's, I stole it.
How you write it?
store in front of me.
I just found it.
She just found it.
I found
She
it and I
just
took
took it. Oh, the flowers is there, but also here we are also flowers.
We are flower.
Oh, you.
Yeah, now.
Nyt näkyy.
Ei, mutta siihen saa sen toisen kauemmas sen suuremman.
Mutta tää on hyvä.
Okei.
Tää on liian kaukana.
Näkikö kukkia?
Näkyy.
Vuonna. Ja se oli todella kaunis viime vuonna. No se oli samban jälkeen. Niin se oli 10. Mutta kun tänä vuonna kesä on vähän aikaisemmin kuin pitäisi. Niin kuin juhannuskukka on kukkinut. Ei se enää. Juhannuskukka on kukkinut jo. Niin.
Then you will make yourself picture.
Yeah.
Digikamera olisi hyvä.
So ayan, nakita niyo yung napakita ko kanina. Ayan, so yun ang napakagandang ano yan. Oh. Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak. Mga bulaklak doon. Makita niyo. Ang gaganda ng bulaklak. So we came already from here, right? Yeah. So now we are going back to the
Car?
To the car.
is
The visit finished.
no flowers.
No flowers. Well, there are
There
flowers.
are flowers. Yeah.
Eh,
Yeah, but there was news in the flower.
flowers. The flower is here with you. Nag-enjoy talaga kami dito kasi ang ganda ng panahon. Tapos, buti na lang nagdala ako nito kasi lamigin ako. At hindi ko kaya, may hangin kasing konti. Kaya So we go around there. There we still didn't go. So it's very nice weather for today. Ayan. Say hello.
Hello.
What can you see about this park?
I can say that it's nice,
You can say that it's nice.
but I was expecting more flowers.
More flowers. The flowers already. We are like, let's say we are a bit late. That's why. Yeah. So ayan lang ang ating vlog for today. Ayan, pabalik na kami. Oh, what a nice.
Like they were like these creatures that tried to imitate humans, but they went like very wrong. The eyes went very wrong and everything, and they had this
So
box
it should
on
be
the
scary.
roof where like people like that lost.
I almost fell asleep.
They couldn't get out. They just like went loose, and
McDonald's.
then they found this box where a big window.
I can be
And
cut
inside
now.
this mirror, so they just needed to be
With the
there, like,
permission.
like
Oh,
some real reality show. And the
Ate
future
Hase,
tonight,
hindi ka
they
solid
came
kasi.
there and just watch
The next day,